Here I have HUAWEI Ascend Y520 and let me show you how to enable developer options on the following device, and also let me show you how to allow USB debugging on the HUAWEI Ascend phone. At the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen, tap apps icon, find and select the settings. Let's scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose about phone. Then you need to scroll down and choose the build number right here, and let's tap a couple of times on build number and you are now a developer. So you can go back to previous list, and right here under printing you've got developer options. Let's open these options, and now you can use all the features from the following list. For example, you can enable USB debugging by using that selector and by tapping OK. That's it. You just enable USB debugging. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.